Hey YouTube, mail call. Got something special for you guys. Got a new kit. Let's check it out. Hey guys, mail call from Boki Racing. Ordered a kit. I've been wanting this kit for a while and I finally pulled the trigger. It is going to be a kit that I can take the Losi Mini B and make it into a Baja bug. So what comes in the kit that I ordered is the Baja bug frame, tires, and if you open up this, it's all the other parts that come with this kit. So some Boki decals, some decals so you paint, but then it comes with the posts and some other stuff so that you are able to mount the body to the frame. And again, you got to take these posts off, switch them out, take that off, and then you're going to have the body like this. And then look at these sweet tires. These are the Axle Razor paddle tires. Show you how aggressive these things look. These things are pretty sweet, guys. So yeah, we'll open it up so you can see. So you got the paddle tires. And in here too, it does have the hexes that will transfer over to these from this. They just are, you just can't use the stock axle assembly hubs because the hexes are way too small. So that's gonna go like that, guys. And then you got the front tires that look like this. So I can't wait. We'll put it together. Stay tuned and stay tuned for it to be all completed. Next time you see this, it won't look like this. All right, guys. Finished the project, the Baja buggy. We got the Mini T, Losi, and we made it into a bug. Basically, the chassis kit basically put these together, and also here, nothing too elaborate on the build. Came with the tires. These are actually axial tires, front and rear, and then I put a bumper on just because it looks cool. Paint job did not come out like I wanted, guys, but I always fail when it comes to painting bodies. I'm not the best. My patience isn't there. But again, here it is. You can see the paint job sucks, but you know, I tried to put lights on, that failed. Again, kind of was in a rush too, but it's gonna be a basher anyway, so I don't care. I'm gonna beat it. So again, this is what it's gonna look like. Get it out soon for a run, and